I'm
Oh,
watching the nail polish on your fingers just now.
I am promoting nail
That's a nice color.
Thank you.
My favorite color. I was told that my makeup artist had COVID. And the guy had been sitting in the van with me the whole day, doing my makeup. So I was like, what? I was like, it's just the first day, we just started. I said, what about Manav's test? And just then the producer's phone rings and he looks at Manav and he says, Manav's also positive. And I have never seen a van get empty so fast. In stop block, everybody had disappeared.
Everybody around you slowly, taken away by COVID, and then you must have been like, oh, ab kabhi bhi mera number aa sakta hai.
I just wish that I got it with them. I think I was quarantined. So I would have had antibodies and then I'd be fine.
Alright, so today I have with me the star cast of Nail Polish. I have with me Arjun Rampal, Anand Tiwari and Rajit Kapoor. Welcome everybody, welcome. How are you guys doing?
Good, I'm watching the nail polish on your fingers just now.
I am promoting nail
That's a nice color.
Thank you.
My favorite color. What is it? Is it like blue?
Royal purple or what?
It's like a bluish. It's a painting.
Royal
like
blue.
Something
like an ink blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm already promoting nail polish.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so
No, very excited about this film. Very special film.
Yeah.
And if it's shaped up the way I think we've all imagined it has, then it's going to be top. It's going to be up there, but I think in all our careers, in our top 5 films. When it came to me initially, because I have a 1-year-old child in the house, and because of a pandemic out there, I was like, there's no way I'm not going out to shoot any films.
Yeah.
B, when they said it's a courtroom drama and I had to play the defense lawyer, I said, oh God, he'll have too many lines and I can't memorize all those lines. So there's no way I'm doing this part. And then when the first thing I knew was that the person I'm defending is a person who's been accused of killing 38 children. And I was like, dude, come on. I mean, there's no way. I can't. There is no chance. But then Tarun Katyal from ZEE5, he was very adamant. He said, you have to hear the whole script. This is a very, very important film for all of us. So, and we really want you to, play this part.
Right.
And he said, just have one meeting with Bugs. And that's when I met Bugs for the first time. It was like this on a Zoom call. And he's a complete charmer. He just charmed me. And he said, you are Sid Jaising. You have to be charming, enigmatic, ruthless, very, very, focused in his work, extremely confident. And it's a great part. And what got me was the title. I said, why would you call it Nail Polish?
Yes.
And he said, read the script. And I promise you, Shweta, when I read the script, I couldn't put it down. And when I discovered why it's called Nail Polish while reading the script, I had this big grin on my face. Because it comes in so beautifully.
With the pandemic out there, that things are so difficult and rough for everybody, and it's been for the past few months. Does that also sort of divert your mind at all from what you're there to do? Zara sa bhi focus shift hota hai while you're while in the process in the zone of acting. Do you ever sort of get affected, or does your mind get diverted to that, bahar kya kuch ho raha hai, hum kya kuch kar rahe hain? Anything of that matter that's ever happened during the course of this shoot? Arjun sir, do you want to start?
Well, the first day I landed on set, I was shooting alone.
Okay.
And I went back home, and the next day when I came there, I was told that my makeup artist had COVID. And the guy had been sitting in the van with me the whole day, doing my makeup. So I was like, what? I was like, it's just the first day, we just started and he's already got COVID. Like, I mean, what's going on? Okay, and so of course I had to test again, and I had a 1-year-old kid at home, and I was just like totally paranoid.
Of course.
So I was quarantined in my house in one room. I couldn't meet the kid or whatever. I tested, negative. Fortunately, I came back on set, and that's when I started shooting with all of them again. And then one day I was shooting with Manav, and we were we just got ready to. It was a very important scene. It's the first meeting that happens between. It's a very important scene that happens between the client and with my client. And
Right.
just when we got into the zone, it was raining outside, and they said, "Okay, pack up." So we were like, "What? We're just ready to go. Why pack up?" They said, "No, it's raining a lot, and we need to pack up." Because the police has come and they're saying there could be flooding and this, that, and the other. So everybody needs to get out and go home. And public transport isn't working because of COVID and this, that, and the other. So we were like, okay. So I go back to my trailer, and I'm called to Bug's trailer. I go there, Manav's sitting there, the whole production team is sitting there, and they're like, "We've got really bad news." And I was like, "What happened?" They said, "Anand's tested positive."
Ooh.
Okay, so we were like, "Oh my God." We were with Anand like yesterday. Okay. And Manav had just done his tests as well. And they said, I said, "What about Manav's tests?" And just then the producer's phone rings, and he looks at Manav and he says, "Manav's also positive." And I have never seen a van get empty so fast. In stop block, everybody had disappeared.
And
Manav was the only guy sitting there with his cup of tea. He's like, again, what? I'm positive? Me?
and they were making fun of me that I am the one who will be test positive because I kept coughing.
Yeah, so he was coughing. Okay, and I was like really paranoid. So now I have to come home, and for 2 weeks I have to quarantine myself into a room. And so that's where I was. I had to keep getting tested. None of these guys had any symptoms. Okay, they lost their taste or something in the middle somewhere. Okay, we'd speak every day to each other, but for 3 weeks we couldn't do anything. So the whole shoots, stopped. But incredible for ZEE5 and for the whole production to, come together, and the whole crew to come together. And I think we came back so much more stronger. And that was really, really incredible.
Moving to, Ansar and Rajat sir, what was your experience like while, sort of shooting while this entire bloody pandemic is going out there? How was that like for you? Anand sir, let's go to you first actually, because you had also tested positive. So tell me a little.
So he's the culprit, right? He's the culprit. He
Corona
was
warrior.
Corona
No,
warrior.
I wasn't.
He's not the
He was at
culprit.
birthday parties. He was not
Wasn't
going
at
and,
any birthday party.
doing the whole
I'm the most
social distancing.
I have to tell you.
And then I found
two
him on
separate
Instagram.
things.
I found his post on Instagram, and then he quickly deleted it the day it.
Lies. But I have to tell you two things. One is never believe in any defense lawyer. They know their client is guilty and they still go. And they go on personal abuse of this poor prosecutor. Second thing is, I'm a doctor's son. I know exactly how terrible COVID will be. My dad's hospital in Palghar is a COVID center. So I was absolutely paranoid to even get out and shoot. But this is what we do. We act and we direct and we make films. So the entire year, for 8 months, we hadn't done any shooting, none of us. And we were itching to be back. So we were very happy that we started. Unfortunately, I don't know how. People in America are also trying to figure out कैसे हो जाता है. मुझे हो गया. अब हो गया तो 21 दिन की छुट्टी हो गई सबकी. I think Manav और मेरी छुट्टी सबसे अच्छी रही क्योंकि एटलीस्ट हमें पता था कि now when we get out of this we will have some antibodies. These guys had no such luck. But credit to the production, as Arjun said, and to Zee, that not for once did they worry about what would go wrong for them. And they were fully supportive of Manav and me throughout and checking on us, making sure that we were fine. And Arjun could have spent some quality time with his son like he's doing right now, but he couldn't.
There is some... You put yourself on mute.
On mute, don't worry. There's no background.
Yes.
Put yourself on. Ajit sir, what about you? How was it like for you while in this entire
I
pandemic?
was waiting to work. I was not paranoid at all. I was just waiting to get out and work. In
Really?
that sense, I was very happy to be back on the set, you know.
But I want to know.
Yeah, yes.
You put yourself on mute, I think, Arjun, so we can't hear you. I think you're saying something.
Yeah, he said, and he spread COVID to everybody, coughed on everybody, asymptomatic. Okay, that's how Anand got it.
I told Raju ji once I tested positive and Manav tested positive. I said maybe you have antibodies, hence you're testing negative.
Yeah.
Maybe you had it before. No antibodies found.
I did
So I
an
think-
antigen test.
We have a vaccine
I-
already. It is Rajit Kapoor.
But the funny thing is, I test myself every week, even now.
Yeah.
And I kept feeling that I may have got antibodies, but I don't.
Okay. There is this. I also want to know from you. There is this courtroom setup which I got to know about that जो आप लोगों ने वहाँ पे set किया था. Whoever wants to tell me a little about it, whoever was a part of it, that you guys had set up, and then there was something around when the COVID was around the corner or something, which was just हुआ था ऐसा, and then you guys had to remove the set, and then you had to again sort of put it back on. Something like that had happened.
Yeah, the set was first put up at Malwani meant to be for a full week, and since as per protocol, we had to stop shoot for 14 days. So it had to be dismantled, and another studio venue had to be searched for when shoot had to resume to put that entire set up again.
I've never felt so special in my life.
You are on another level.
Set तोड़ दो, mood नहीं है.
But that actually sounds so scary.
14 दिन की छुट्टी सबकी. I really felt like a star. And I do feel very bad for everyone. But
Yeah.
I felt quite special, I must admit.
He's being very honest. Okay, we'll give that to him. But I want to know something from you. Do you guys miss the on-set promotions that we used to have, because there was a lot of traveling that was happening. बहुत जगह.
I don't miss it at all.
You don't miss it.
I'll answer even before
Not
your
at all.
question
I'm
is
so
finished.
happy.
I
I
love
can
it.
sit at
I love
home
it.
and do all this. It's so good.
Even when life goes back to normal, I want
And
to
this
just
our
do
promotions
scenes.
will continue now, I think.
I hope. I really want. We have to wait so much.
This is the new normal.
I would love for this to continue the wait is, because as journalists, like we literally have to wait so much for for the actors, and then also because all our interviews chal rahe hain. At least right now I can sit in my comfort at the comfort of my room and just wait for y'all, rather than waiting in some banquet hall of some hotel where it just gets annoying after a point of time. So yeah, but none of you missed like 1% of the promotions. Like going up there and all of that, traveling, nothing.
Not at all.
I mean, I miss hanging out with all these guys. Like that would be the fun part of being on a promotional tour or whatever, that we can go together and we can hang together and, have some good laughs, which we've had so many on this, through this shoot. That's it. But beyond that.
Oh God, this is so funny. And there are also, I ideally wanted Buxer to comment on this, but I don't think he would be here because I don't know what's happening. But anyway, I want to know from all of you. I think Arjun sir, you have this one scene where there's like a crowd shot that's happened. If I'm not mistaken. From also what I saw in the trailer, I think it's also part of the trailer. This one shot that we see in the trailer. And I think you and Manav sir are part of that. What was that like? Because the crowd shot while being in the middle of the pandemic, what was that all about? How was that like? Please tell me something about it.
It was petrifying, because I was petrified, and they were so sly, all of them. It was the last shot of the film for me. Okay, they said isko abhi COVID ho jaye, isko bhej do. I was like, this is horrible.
I didn't know that. Was that the last?
Got antibodies, so he can be in the crowd.
Yeah.
I'm the only guy. मैं तो अभी बचा हूँ इधर से. escape from COVID. Okay, Anand's talking to me. I'm gone. Okay, Manav here. I was like, I'm gone. I have not got COVID. And then they told me this is the shot, and I was like, Bugs, I have a 1-year-old baby at home. Okay, we are in Pune. The maximum amount of COVID out here. Okay, I just taking me into this crowd. Okay, and he said, no, you don't go. You don't go. But then I saw the way they'd just done the shot. And, I swear, it was just, I was watching it and I see him fall and I don't know what happened. I just ran in and went and picked him up. And I just did it, because I said it has to be. I mean, there's no way that it wouldn't run for him and pick him up at that point in time. Otherwise it just wouldn't have that impact. And then I came back to Mumbai, again, COVID test one time. And luckily, I was negative.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's again something very interesting. But yeah, that does sound scary at like so much, because Arjun sir, you've had your makeup artist, you have Anand, so you've had Manav, so everybody around you slowly, taken away by COVID, and then you must have been like, oh, ab kabhi bhi mera number aa sakta hai.
I just wish that I had got it with them. I knew I was quarantined. So I would have had antibodies and then I'd be fine. So, yeah. And I was going to another film right after this. So, yaar, mujhe bhi de do. Then I thought a couple of times, maybe I just go hang with them in the house. They get COVID, be knocked out for 2 weeks and then come back.
Yeah.
But so far, no COVID, and hopefully no COVID.
Yes, that's what. Why would you hope for that to happen? Let's hope and pray that it doesn't really affect any one of us or anyone we know, because it's just everybody is like super scared of it, and it is something to be very scared of. But I think, I think पूरा interview निकल गया Bugs sir का इंतजार करते, but he is still not here. Manav sir is also still not here. We've spoken about so much.
Bugs अभी भी सच ढूंढ रहे हैं. ये फिल्म का जो सच है वो हमारे डायरेक्टर अभी भी ढूंढ रहे हैं, इसलिए हमारे साथ नहीं है.
I mean, this entire while I was like, अब आएंगे, but okay, I think we have to wrap this up without him being a part of it, sadly. Some other time we'll speak to him. But it was so nice to talk to everybody, all of you. And ever since the trailer came out, I have been interested and intrigued by it. Also secretly because Arjun sir looks so dashing. So I mean, that is that is one of the primary reasons. But then apart from that as well, the story looks very, very intriguing, and this very different sort of a genre that we see. It looks very interesting as well. So I'm really hoping that everybody is going to is going to sit and watch it, with their families and spend some good time on New Year. And we're having a very good start to the New Year, so that's a very good thing. So thank you for that, for already, bringing us some joy and some interest and taking us away from all the whatever's happening around the world and taking us into your world. So I'm pretty sure that we're going to have like a good time. But thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you. And I want to wish you all the very best for nail polish. Stay safe, and sending you lots of positivity and lots of good wishes.
Thank you, Shweta.
Bye. Happy New Year.
Same to you guys. Thank you.
Bye. Lots of love. Bye.